Hi there and welcome. This is Dr. Nellie Deutsch, a teacher educator who loves to teach and share practical, meaningful, and creative ways to integrate AI into instruction and learning. We've all been there. You have a great video clip from an older camera, a low light recording, or something sent through a messaging app that looks blurry or pixelated. In my case, Zoom meetings that are very, very low resolution. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix that low quality footage and upscale it all the way to 4K while clearing up noise and blur with Aiarty Video Enhancer. Aiarty Video Enhancer is an AI-powered tool designed to improve common video issues like lack of sharpness and low light noise. What I appreciate right away is that it offers a lifetime license for up to 3 computers. It is a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, which is excellent value for creators who want to own their tools. When you first import a clip into Aiarty Video Enhancer, the entire right-hand side of the screen becomes your control center. This right bar contains all the processing tools, AI models, and adjustments needed to enhance your footage. At the very top, you have the AI models section. This is where you choose the specific brain of the software, picking different models based on whether your video needs heavy cleanup, sharpening, or smooth balancing. Right below that is the Upscale drop-down menu, which dictates your final output resolution, allowing you to multiply your pixel count up to 4K. Below the resolution settings is the strength slider, giving you direct control over how intensely the AI processes your image. Further down the panel, you will find independent checkboxes for advanced editing tools. This includes the Edit and Color sections for fine-tuning, lightening, the frame interpolation tool for changing frame rates, and an experimental HDR toggle to upgrade standard color profiles. At the top, notice you have before and after. If you click on the left here, you will see the before. If you click on the right, you will see after. If you want to see a huge difference, you will do the following. You will go to the right, notice here, and you will upscale by, say, 4 times whatever is there now, or you can go to 4K and go straight up to scale that. So let's go step by step. First thing we're going to do is go into the 1080. So notice here on the right and the left. The left, notice the blur, and on the right, notice that it's a lot sharper. If you want it even sharper, notice we'll go into the 4K. And notice the difference now, before and after. You can also use the scale, notice, and see it as it should be after, and there's the before. At the bottom right-hand side, you will also see export, which is how you will export the final result. Notice too, we can add the task, and then you can modify whatever you'd like. Super resolution is what it is right now. And notice this is a very dark footage. But nonetheless, you can see it quite well, and you can definitely see the difference. Let's jump into the workflow. I'm importing a low resolution clip here. To upscale this to 4K, I simply go to the upscaling options on the right and select 4K. Look at the difference in the fine details. The AI doesn't just stretch the pixels, it actually reconstructs the textures. It handles the enhancement in a way that looks natural rather than over-processed. Next, let's look at deblurring and denoising. Sometimes you have footage that is noisy because of high ISO settings in low light. I'll set this one to a 2x upscale to focus on the clarity. The graininess is gone, and the edges are much sharper, even at turbo speed. The processing is very efficient without taxing the system too heavily. While we're here, I want to show you two very helpful secondary features. First is color adjustment, which helps bring back the vibrancy in washed out clips. Second is frame interpolation. If you have a jerky or low frame rate video, this feature generates extra frames to make the motion look smooth and fluid. If you're looking for a straightforward, high-speed way to save your low-quality videos or prepare your older content for 4K displays, Aiarty Video Enhancer is a powerful option to consider. It's effective, fast, and the one-time payment model is a big plus. If you want to try this out for yourself, click the link in the description below to download Aiarty Video Enhancer and start upscaling your own footage to 4K today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to comment and subscribe for more.